So you have the subscribers, but not the views. That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Okay, so you've been around for a while and you've gained subscribers, but the views don't seem to match. And you're a bit worried or curious. There are many reasons for this, right? So I'm going to deep dive into it further, but before I do that, I want to know, are you in this situation? Do you have more subscribers than views? Do you have more views than subscribers? Is there a specific video that got you your subscribers or your views? Or do you find that it kind of built over time and that's just the base level of how many views you get now? Please leave a comment down below. It's one of those things that really kind of drills into your head over time, right? But it's not something that you should worry and overanalyze too much if it's subscribers to view counts, for a few reasons. If you're making educational content, sometimes they might be there for one video topic that's more important than others. Roberto Blake has this issue. His channel happens to be about Adobe Premiere Pro examples, some graphic works, and business. So sometimes his business ones get his business audience and sometimes his YouTubey ones get his YouTubey audience. That can be an issue. If you've got a consistent niche of just the same type of videos, then maybe you can kind of buoy that up. But here are a few reasons why you might have more subscribers than viewers. One, they subscribe for content that you might not be making anymore, or you've kind of diverged away from. So in the cases of PewDiePie, he's got millions and millions of subscribers, but he started with gaming. Maybe you came for his gaming stuff and you don't like his vloggy stuff now, right? So you might be subscribed, but you might not click on his videos anymore because that's just not the style you like. Two, check what videos actually got you subscribers. Now, in some cases, or most cases, there's this rule of thumb, which is the 80-20 rule, in which most of your videos, 80% of your subscribers or views might actually come from 20% of your video database. I know that if I put out a specific style or a specific topic of video, then that will actually increase my subscribers. For example, if I do how to get subscriber videos, how to increase your subscriber base, top 10 tips on how to get your first 100, how to get your first 1,000. The reason for that is they watch, they subscribe, they're intrigued, and it's got the word subscribers, so they kind of hover around. But you might find that if you make Destiny 2 content that you don't get subscribers, but if you make a latest news update on the newest Activision release that's out next week, then people are curious and want to subscribe to see your reaction when that game comes out. So you've got a hook. So learn what videos make you gain subscribers and then backwards engineer that. So of course you can do it the opposite way around. If you know that certain videos get you more views than just subscribers, then have a look at those, because clearly if you've got a subscriber base and people subscribed for that and that's what they're looking for, if you feed them what they want, they will keep coming back to watch them. 3, are you mixing topics? Now, just like I mentioned Roberto Blake, now on here all of my videos at the moment are 100% YouTube related. But somewhere down the line, should I start doing Twitter tutorials or Instagram tutorials or how to do web development, that diversifies and splits the audience slightly. Because you might want to watch both YouTube and web development tools, or you might just want to watch only web development and only YouTube. So if you've got a split, just be careful. Or remember that that type of video has that percentage of the audience and that's the percentage of views that you should expect. And then you benchmark that against previous videos rather than benchmarking it against your more popular niche on your channel. 4, maybe have a look at what gets you the most views and niche down onto that. Maybe you have diversified over time, but now you know that the Fortnite stuff is what's going to get you views rather than your old N1Z1 stuff. So go and niche down on Fortnite and evolve to that next audience demographic. Or any niche for that matter, because you're drawing it in more focused, and then instead of you making 3 videos on slightly separate topics, there'll be 3 videos all around Fortnite, which then feeds the cycle and brings more views back in. 5, maybe you got most of your views from topics or trending. So you put out the Harlem Shake and that made mini viral. The problem happens to be is that's not the content that you always make. So therefore you've kind of confused them. So they've come in to find, oh great, he's done I don't know, top 10 tips for Destiny, but he normally does Lego tutorials? You've confused them. Try and meet them somewhere in the middle, or make a mix of content if you really have to until they're pulled together. And finally, number 6, something that you can't really help. Your content may be really great for a certain demographic, but they might have grown out of that. So they may still be subscribed to your channel, but they might not be watching your content. So your videos might be about how to build Lego bricks for toddlers, right? Or the best way to beat Fortnite and stuff like that, but that's more teen and school kids and stuff like that, and they've grown into a 30-year-old man, and maybe that just doesn't float their boat anymore. But don't give up. You can always turn an existing channel around. For more tricks and tips on how to grow your channel organically, there is a playlist up here that might help you. But that's why you've got the subscribers, but you're not getting the views. For more tricks and tips, there's a PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted immediately when my videos go live. Go out there, start creating.